Hi everyone, with me today I have this gorgeous tote bag made of this corduroy-like material, and it is perfect especially for all the college students out there just like me. Let me show you what you can truly take inside this bag. Not only does it have multiple zippers that you can use to keep all your small items together, but it also has pockets and can fit so much. I here have a bunch of items to put inside. For example, I'm going to add in my MacBook and a couple of books that I need for class. Let's see how much I can make fit inside this one bag. I think it is super nice that it also has these side pockets for you to put a water bottle. It is awesome. You can also add that in there, and these straps here at the top make it super easy to carry it alongside this strap on the shoulder, of course, so you can carry it that way as well. I still have some space here inside to put in my pencil pouch and my book, maybe my sunglasses case and my notepad. You guys, this has so much space, and it comes in so many different colors, which makes it really customizable and easy to use. There you go, you guys. I am literally ready and packed for college. Super great quality, and it can fit so many of your needed items, and it's not a book bag, so it looks so much different than the other kids. I absolutely love the bottom as well. It's nice and firm. It is a perfect school bag. Check it out on Amazon. I definitely recommend it.